I apologize for the cropping. I was in a rush and I was really excited and whatever. Sparkle, sparkle. Hey friends, it's ReAnne Michelle. I'm back with another video. As you can see from the title, I got a drone in the mail. I got a drone and I'm gonna open it here because I'm very excited and I couldn't wait any longer and I wanted it to happen on camera. So, alright, let's do it. I'm so excited. Yeah, that's right. I'm coming for your lawn ornaments. A little slicey here. I'll have you guys know that I was happily sleeping in this morning and I hear knocking at the door and I'm like, oh no, someone's knocking at my door, which is really unusual. And, you know, I am flustered, I just woke up and I'm trying to put pants on and I don't know. But anyways, I was awoken with this. So this is the moment of truth, hopefully. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Look at this. This is lovely. Alright, what do we got going on here? So this is the drone. Ooh, should we open it up? I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to break anything. And this controller. So what you do is you open it up here. Oh my gosh, there's a light on. And you put your phone, I don't know where my phone is, but you put your phone in here and that's like the screen. Does it turn off just by... Oh! Okay. And this is extra propellers, which is good because we might have some crazy flying. I'm just kidding. Alright. So, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna I don't want to break anything. And sweet SD card and a cable. Let's see. Super quick support guide. Oh yeah, so I gotta plug her in. So what I'm doing now is I'm downloading the Parrot Free Flight 6 app to my phone so I can get this baby synced, you know what I'm saying? So we're just waiting for that. Oh, it lets you put a pilot name in. Ooh! ReAnne King Mud is. You'll always know it's me. Do I agree to share anonymous flight data with Parrot drones? What kind of anonymous flight data would I be giving you? Oh. I'm an idiot, guys. You're supposed to connect it with a wire, which I do have, but I thought you were supposed to connect it another way. But I don't necessarily want to fly it right now because I'm right here, but I do want to turn it on. It's confirmed. I do have to charge it before I can even get the app. Okay. This is Captain ReAnne speaking. We are about to take flight for the first time. Oh god, here we go. Oh, we're up in the air. Oh, okay, we gotta put this thing back down. I don't know how to fly. Oh, okay. Alright, well. Hey guys, so Seth and I went to take my drone out for a fly. We took it to this lovely field here. It's the perfect place, there's nothing in the way. But unfortunately, it's too windy, so I kind of got it off the ground, and it seems to be doing pretty good. So enjoy this little clip we got of it. Like this video if you are as hyped as I am to get some awesome footage using this drone, and stay tuned for those videos in the future. And thanks for watching. Well, you probably don't care, but I got a drone, so yeah. Anyway, see you guys in the air.